Hello classes, this video we are going to talk about perspectives, and what perspectives means is the way that you look at three-dimensional figures from the top, front, and side view. For our first perspective, we are going to go to Google Earth and take a look at the pyramids in Egypt. So, from the top view of the pyramids in Egypt, it looks like a square with a dot in the center and some lines going on there. So that's the perspective from the top of the pyramids. Now, we're going to go and take a look at the front view of the pyramids. Backing it up a little bit so you can see the whole pyramid. Nice, pretty blue colors. Okay, and this is the pyramid from the side view. So do you see the different perspectives? From the top, it looked like a square with a dot in the center. And now from the side, it looks like a triangle. This is perspectives, and this is what our lesson is going to cover. For another famous building, and to give you a perspective, let's take a look at the Pentagon, coming back over into the United States. There we go. That is the top view of the Pentagon. You can see very clearly that it is actually shaped like a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides, and this indeed does have 5 sides on the outside as well as in the inside. Now, let's take a look at the front view of the Pentagon. Okay, now we have the side view of the Pentagon, and if you look at it from the side perspective, it looks just like a building, a rectangle, a square, whatever. It does not look anything like a pentagon. So this is what we're going to talk about, perspectives, different views of three-dimensional figures. Taking a look at your worksheet that you have, your handout, the three-dimensional cubes. Okay, we're going to take a look at the three-dimensional cubes. You should have it in front of you. And question A, how many cubes are in this model, assuming all hidden spaces are filled? So we have to look at all of the hidden spaces are filled. We're going to take a look at the front view first. Counting the front view, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's one more hidden in the top middle back there. There you go. So we have a total of 13 cubes that are hidden. All right, now we're going to move on to B. It says complete the map below by counting the number of cubes in each stack. And if you notice on the box, it has the front view and the right side. So we're going to start at looking from the top in the back corner, which we're using in purple, and we're going to count how many cubes are in that stack. So you have to visualize and see that there's 3. And then moving along the back side, we have 2 deep in that stack, and then 2 deep again in the next stack. Now, moving over, changing colors so you can see the different stacks. We're going to look at the coming from the back to the front. So we already have 3 in our back corner in purple, and then in the middle we have 2 deep. Oops, sorry, 2 deep. And then up in front of that one, all right, my bad, guys. You know, I was looking at it one way, Miss Gesh was looking at it another, and we're going to go Miss Gesh's way. So, now, that lime green, we're going to go from the middle. That's 2 deep. Moving across, 1 deep. And then we don't have any there, so that's 0 deep. Moving on up to the front, changing colors. 3 deep. 1, 2, 3. You can see all of those. No deep because there's nothing there, and nothing there again. So this is the map for this 3-dimensional set of cubes. Now, C, front view columns. View from left to right. We're going to change colors so you can see that. And we have 3, 2, and 2 in our front view. Now, moving on to D, the right side view columns, we're going to look at that from left to right, changing colors with that. We have 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, and then 1. Oops, can't really see that top one very good. 2, 3. So it's 3, 2, 3 on our right side view. All right, guys, when you come into class on Wednesday, we are going to look at more of these 3-dimensional cubes. We're going to build with blocks, 3D shapes, and we're going to look at the maps of these, the front view, the side view, and the top view on many shapes. So we're going to have a fun day on Wednesday, lots of activities, lots of good things going on. And this needs to go in your journal on the next available page. The header will be perspectives. Good info to keep in your journal, boys and girls. So, look forward to seeing you. Look forward to building stuff. Peace out.